In this video session we shall see the design of vertical alignment of the road center line by vertical intersection point VIP method. The processing of survey data and design of horizontal alignment is already done in the last session. The project data file was saved in the folder Highway Uniform section. Select Menu option, select Working folder. The working folder is selected as Work on the desktop, click on OK. Next we select Menu option, File, then New, then select the menu item New Open Uniform section Highway Design Project. As the window opens, the current selected tab is Create Project. We click on button Browse for Open Project Data File and select the folder Highway Uniform section. The survey base plan drawing and data are loaded and the message comes, click on OK. Next we select the tab Highway Design, as the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are already done in the last session. We now select tab step 6 for Design Vertical Profile via Line. We click on button Create Ground Long Section, as the ground long section is created the message comes, we click on button OK. Next, we click on button Draw Ground Long Section and as the process comes click on OK. The ground long section is displayed. Next, we click on button Grid on and grids with Shenichs and ground levels displayed in scale HV equals 110. To magnify the ground elevation values 10 times, for better understanding of the profile. Next we select the option New VALIGN Design and click on button Proceed. The CAD window of Heads Viewer opens with no display in the screen. Select Viewer menu option, Ground Long Section, then draw vertical profile. Select Model Name Design and string label A001 as the ground long section, click on OK. As the ground long section is drawn, select Viewer menu option, Ground Long Section, then Grid on, click on OK, the grids are drawn. Next, we select menu option Draw and then Polyline, click a set of points on the contour model to draw a polyline as the control straights for the vertical profile of the road to be designed. Click right mouse button to finish the polyline. To match the start and end points of the polyline with the start and end points of the ground long section, we used the icon End Snap at the time of clicking on for the start and end points of the polyline. Next we click on Menu option Design, then V-Alignment, then New VIP method, then click left and right mouse buttons on the polyline. The Design dialog box comes with Model Name Design, String Label M001, Start and End Shenichs and list of all the vertical intersection points or VIPs with default vertical curve lengths of 150 meters at all the VIPs. We click on button Apply. If the message comes for the large curve we have to reduce the vertical curve length VCL to fit at the particular vertical intersection point in the profile. Again click on button Apply and if message for large curve still comes we have to reduce the VCL in the same way. If no message comes then we click on button Save and Finish. Next the dialog box comes for writing the design in the model files. we select the string M001, click on button OK. Next, to start the process of modeling, we click the button Proceed. The design report is written in file VALIGN1.rep. As the process is over, we may close the Design CAD window of Heads Viewer. We are back to the previous window. Click on button Draw Vertical Profile. As the process comes, click on OK and the design vertical profile of the road is drawn. Next, click on button Vertical Details On. As the dialog box comes, select string M001. Click on OK, the design details are displayed. On closing the session, we have to save the project data file to continue the next design session. Here the design of vertical profile is finished.